Good morning, everyone. Starting out quiet with just a bit of cloudiness. Notice how a lot of the clouds are starting to whiten up a little bit. That means that they're thicker, and it's all stemming from thunderstorms out west that are going to slowly try and progress towards the east today. But I'm thinking most of the rainfall this afternoon, not this morning. So that's good news, unlike yesterday when we started to see it move in by the late morning. Here we are looking at temperatures kind of all over the place, from 33 in Beaverton to 41 in Mount Morris. In between there, we're looking at 39 in Essexville, Reese, and Bridgeport, 38 in St. Louis, 35 in West Branch, 37 in Bad Axe and Deckerville, and 40 in Corunna this morning. So a mild start for us, comparatively speaking, to the average low, which is in the low to mid 30s this time of year. As we widen out, again, no rain here across the lower peninsula until you head just to the south of Grand Rapids to the west of Kalamazoo. The heaviest of the rainfall this morning will stay west of Lake Michigan across portions of Wisconsin and head up towards the UP. But there's a bigger area of low pressure behind this that is going to slide east along our warm front that is now stationary from Chicago towards Pittsburgh and Cleveland. And here's the area of low pressure. Big snowstorm and a big severe weather maker today across the Central Plains states. We've got blizzard warnings up for some spots out west, and then it looks like Oklahoma will be targeted for a significant tornado outbreak potentially today. But this area of low pressure will slide east, and with it will come multiple chances of showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder, because we have such a huge temperature divide across the country. And when you get warm air next to cold air, no matter where you're at in the world, that's an unstable situation, and that will give us some scattered showers. So here locally, again, we have the warm front just to our south. It's 44 in Detroit, but 58 in Indianapolis, and then a very sharp temperature gradient from 66 in Kansas City to 14 in Bismarck with our area of low pressure and next cold front. So what's going to happen is that colder air is going to eventually win out across our area, and by that point, which will be Thursday into Friday, instead of talking about rain, we may be talking about mixed precipitation, that wintry stuff again. Not done with it just yet, but hopefully next week we'll start to get a bigger warm up. So here we are with a few scattered showers across the lower peninsula today. Not as widespread as yesterday, but I think those showers will become as widespread as yesterday tonight, especially across the northern and western sections of our viewing area. And then tomorrow, as the area of low pressure starts to eject out from the Central Plains, look at the slug of moisture all the way from Marquette south to Chicago, and it's all going to ride just along and north of our stationary warm front that'll stay to the south over the next 24-hour period. So we do have the threat for significant rainfall, a couple of inches possible, especially if we get any thunderstorms that try and develop near this warm front and move towards the north. And that is certainly the case, especially as we head to your Wednesday afternoon. So look ahead shows still very unsettled today, tomorrow, Thursday, but notice temperatures will take a bit of a dive Thursday. That's when the cold air will start to win out, and we knock temperatures down close to freezing again from Thursday night into Friday morning, and that spells the potential for sleet and freezing rain before it switches over to all snow, and then it goes back to a rain-snow mix Friday afternoon. Now, this forecast has changed a little bit from yesterday, and it'll likely change again over the next 24-hour period, so keep checking back in with us. But I'm thinking Friday morning, if this forecast does not change, we could have some icy travel, especially for interior communities away from Lake Michigan and away from Lake Huron and the Saginaw Bay. Temperatures do get back to normal as we go from Sunday into Monday of next week, but already I'll be tracking more rain with our next storm system by that time.